Discover Booksy, your ultimate booking platform for personal care and wellness. Explore its features using the links below. Booksy simplifies scheduling everything from haircuts and nail treatments to massages. Whether you're a busy professional, a self-care enthusiast, or a salon owner, Booksy connects clients and providers. Find the perfect service by searching by category, location, availability, and reviews. Detailed provider profiles showcase services, pricing, photos, and verified reviews, empowering you to make informed choices. Booking is quick and easy. Choose your service, provider, and time slot, then receive automatic reminders. Many providers offer in-app payment options for added convenience. For providers, Booksy offers powerful business tools, including scheduling, client management, marketing features, and a calendar sync system to minimize no-shows. The Booksy mobile app provides seamless access to bookings, profiles, and history. Real-time availability allows for last-minute bookings and on-the-go schedule management. Booksy streamlines self-care for clients and boosts business efficiency for providers. Elevate your self-care or service management today. Check the links below.